Okay. And continuing, what? Okay, Brother Randy.
Yes.
What's sustainable about? What are you? What's your idea of sustainability? What are you bringing to the community?
I have a business called Keepin It Real Law Project, and what I do is I teach people in our community how to navigate through the criminal justice system, because we cannot afford competent and affordable. We don't have competent and affordable legal assistance in our community, and we don't know, even though we're the biggest victim of the criminal justice system, we know absolutely nothing about it or how it works, because when we get downtown, we don't see the criminal justice system. We do Monty Hall, let's make a deal. 95% of our people plea bargain. They don't even go to trial because they have so little confidence in the system, and their ability to navigate it, and that their rights under that system will be respected and protected. Now, we are not going to change the behavior of the folks who benefit from our mass incarceration. They're not going to stop doing what they're doing. We got to stop acting in the same way and expecting different results. The main thing is that, see, I came to this knowledge because myself, I'm a victim. I did 11 and a half years in prison for a crime I didn't commit. That's why I do what I do, because I know our young men are being targeted. It's not just Randy talking anymore. On the front page of the Sun-Times, it tells you right here, study from UIC 2009, that minority drivers are more likely to get tickets and their vehicles are more likely to be searched. But what the kicker is that even though we're in Chicago, we are 6 times more likely to have our vehicles searched. In only 24% of the cases, they find contraband. Whereas with whites, who get stopped 6 times less, they find 29 times. So breaking it down, a quarter of us that get stopped have drugs or some kind of contraband. A third of them, when they get stopped, and they're 6 times less likely to get stopped. So if you balance the scale, the numbers would be even further out of whack.
But let me ask the group here. Is that a sustainable business?
Oh, yes.
Yes. Well
Okay,
needed.
that's the answer. That's the answer. That's by far one of the important sustainable businesses in our community.
Very sustainable and needed.
Thank you, Randy. We'll get back to you. I wanted to hear from Reven. We got the great Reven Fellows here, and I mean that. If anybody knows, in terms of strategy and thinking, this is one of the greatest brothers whom I've ever met, and I'm sure a lot of others feel that way when it comes to our people.
My name is Reven Fellows, and I'm the founder, senior consultant for Green Acres Consulting Company, located in Inglewood. We do is business plan, 501(c)(3)s, research, development, project management, payroll, websites, blogs, anything that you need to do in terms of forming a business and networking with research, we can get our hand on it. The average, they say you're 2 people away from a breakthrough, then how much would you pay me to get you 10? And you don't have to leave your office, your business, or anything to do that. So I've been blessed to have a full network of information, research that now applies to, we have a track record of how we got this way, and now we know how to get out of it based on the information and research. So I'm honored to be here, Brother Side, in the presence of all these great people. In terms of sustaining the community, I think in order to do that, the history and the research is so important to know where we're going and how to sustain it.